Tutorial for issuance of NHAI FASTag via point of sale, POS. The point of sale agent must follow the succeeding steps to be ready for FASTag customers at the point of sale, POS or sales counter. Step 1. POS agent must have a smartphone with internet connectivity. Step 2. Download IHMCL POS app from the Play Store. Step 3. Ensure sufficient stock availability of FASTags for all 7 vehicle classes such as car, bus, trucks, etc. NHAI FASTag issuance process. The following steps clarify the simple issuance process of NHAI FASTag. 1. A customer approaches POS with his or her respective vehicle for buying FASTag. 2. A POS agent physically verifies the vehicle and requests the customer for a copy of the RC of the vehicle. 3. The POS agent selects the NHAI FASTag of appropriate class based on the vehicle. 4. The POS agent logs into IHMCL POS mobile app using his registered mobile number and OTP and clicks on Get Started button to proceed with tag issuance. 5. POS agent either scans the QR code on the NHAI FASTag or clicks on manual entry option to enter the 24-digit number printed on the tag. 6. The POS agent then enters the customer details as below: customer name, mobile number, email ID. After the customer information is submitted, the POS agent must enter the OTP received on the customer's registered mobile number. 7. On the next screen, the POS agent enters the vehicle details as below: vehicle registration number (VRN), vehicle type commercial or non-commercial, tag mapper class, upload image of the vehicle registration certificate. The information submitted will then get validated from Vahan database. In case of any mismatch in the issuance process, it shall show error and will not proceed. 8. On successful verification, the customer summary screen will appear and the POS agent will need to accept the terms and conditions and click on the Submit button to proceed. After successful submission, POS agent will need to upload the image of the vehicle. 9. After successful issuance, an SMS and an email will be sent to the customer with a link to download My FASTag mobile app. 10. The email sent by the POS mobile application also contains the proof of fitment of NHAI FASTag. 11. After successful issuance of NHAI FASTag, the POS agent will affix the NHAI FASTag at the recommended place on the vehicle windscreen. 12. The POS agent shall assist the customer to link the tag to bank account or NHAI prepaid wallet on My FASTag app. Do's and don'ts for the POS agent. POS agent must ensure that the right class of tag is issued to the right vehicle and must affix the tag on the windscreen properly. The POS agent shall be held liable for any wrong issuance of the tag. POS agent must also ensure safe custody of the tag to prevent any misuse or unauthorized transactions. To link the NHAI FASTag to a bank account or NHAI prepaid wallet, follow these steps. 1. Download My FASTag app from Android Play Store. The customer will receive the downloadable link via an SMS on his or her registered mobile number after successful issuance by the POS agent. 2. Click on Payment option. 3. Select a preferred option for linking. A customer can either link it with his or her existing bank account or select NHAI prepaid wallet. 4. Fill up the banking credentials. KYC is not required for this process. Make FASTag your way of life.